What if, in a specific situation, you require some confirmation from a user in your scripts? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add user interaction to an automation script. Adding user interaction to a script can be very handy. For example, in a certain scenario, you need confirmation from a user before continuing, then you can add user interaction to your script. In this video, I'm going to extend the script we created in a previous video with some user interaction. So let's go to DataMiner Cube and I'll show you how to do that. The script I'm going to extend is the Singular Live overlay stream script, where we check if the stream that we are sending to Singular Live is running or not. What I added in a previous video is that if our main stream is not running, we switch to a backup stream. And I actually hard-coded what backup stream we want to switch to. What I would like to add now in the script is confirmation from a user that he wants to switch to the backup stream and what backup stream he wants to switch to. I now hard-coded this, but it could be that we have multiple backup streams in place. So I'm going to extend this section of my script, and I'm going to start by adding a find interactive client action. Let me first add it, and then I'll explain you what it does. What find interactive client actually does is showing a pop-up with this message to any user connected to your client, and one of these users will need to attach to our script to confirm that we want to switch to our backup. Our pop-up will be displayed for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and when no user has attached during that period, our script will fail. Note that this is only required if my script is executed from a backup process, for example, automatically or from a scheduler task. When I execute my script manually, the user that executed the script will already be known, so I will attach automatically to this user interaction. But I do want to show you that it's required in case your script runs automatically in the background. Now, how do you add user interaction? You use the action user interaction. I'm going to add it before my go-to here. Here I can see a preview of the screen that will be displayed to the user. And here I can add parts. So the first thing I'm going to add is some static text. With a question if a user wants to switch to the backup stream. I will add 2 buttons. Yes. In a destination variable, yes. And no. I'm going to keep using this variable because I'm not going to use this button. I only will check if yes was clicked. So to do that, I will now add an if statement and move it up. And now I can check a variable. I'm going to check my yes variable. And if it's equal to yes, that means my button was clicked. If the no button was clicked, then there will be no value inside this variable. So if no was clicked, then I will want to exit my script again with a message. If yes was clicked, then I will want to execute my switch to backup. So I'll first remove this one here and then add it in my script here. But I don't want to hard code the backup stream element anymore. I want to use a variable. So I'll add another screen for that. Again, select user interaction with some text. And now I'm going to ask, what backup stream do you want to use? You notice that I added text and buttons already. I can also add some drop downs. So if I would have a static list of backup streams, I could use a drop down. But now I'm going to use a text box in a variable backup stream and an OK button. After the user has clicked OK and provided the element for my backup stream, I will want to go to my section again that reassigns my dummy. So now after this confirmation, I'm going to my switch to backup section. And the only thing I still need to change is no longer use a fixed value for my backup stream, but use the variable instead with the value that was provided via the user interaction. If I now save my script and execute, my main stream is selected and I can select what any action I want. If I execute, you'll notice I now get a pop-up if I want to switch to my backup stream because my main stream is not active. If I select no, then my script will have failed with the message that I provided here. If I execute again, and this time I select yes, then I need to provide the name for my backup stream. And if I select OK, you will see my backup stream was unmasked and my singular live overlay action will have executed. Now you know how to add user interaction to a script. This can be very useful in case it's only required in specific scenarios. That way your script can always run in the background, but in a specific situation where a user needs to confirm an action, you can use user interaction to make this happen.